Front doors.
The door panel is attached to the door with 3 screws. The first screw is located under the cover of the inside door handle. The cover is just plugged in. Carefully remove it from the panel. Remove the screw underneath. Then remove the seat memory switch. There is a small lock on the inside that you push inwards a little. Then push the switch up and unplug it at the same time. The second screw is located under the speaker cover near the armrest. Carefully loosen the cover from the door and remove it. Remove the screw underneath. The third screw is at the bottom of the armrest. It is freely accessible and can be removed. After the 3 screws have been removed, the panel is only held on the door with clips. There is a special clip at the bottom that can be very stubborn. You can find the part number of the clips in the description. I recommend getting these clips before removing the door panel. To release the clips, gradually pull the panel away from the door. It is definitely recommended to use a suitable tool for this. After all clips have been released, pull the panel upwards out of the inner window slot trim. Now just unplug the door electronics. And disconnect the inside door handle. Before reinstalling, remove the clips that remain in the door. Also pay attention to the correct position of the clips. Therefore, push some clips back into the correct position or use new clips.
Rear doors.
The panel on the rear door is also initially fixed with 3 screws. 2 of them are located under the cover of the inside door handle. As with the front door, carefully remove the paneling. The only difference is a small hook at the back that you have to push in to release the cover. Then remove all 3 screws. The third is again freely accessible at the bottom of the armrest. After the 3 screws have been removed, remove the panel from the door again, starting from below. There is also a special clamp here that can be very hard to release. After the clips have been released, pull the panel back up out of the window slot trim and disconnect it. Since the clips on the A6 are sometimes very difficult to remove, I only recommend removing the panel for experienced people. This can otherwise be very frustrating for laypeople or, if damaged, expensive.